25 minutes. Just leave that to cook now. Right, have a look at this. You can see how those onions have sort of shrunk in size, and with this, you know, if you kind of smear that, you know, on top of a steak or a burger in a bun, that'll be incredible. And to make this into a soup, we need stock now. Traditionally, we go for a beef stock, right? Chicken stock is brilliant. If you wanted to make your own, really easy, get a load of chicken or beef bones, toss in a bit of oil, some herbs, whole onions, whole garlic, roast them in the oven for 45 minutes, bit of colour. Pour it in a pot, top it up with water, simmer it for a couple of hours. From that, you'll get a quality stock. Now, we want to mix this all out now. It's about 4 pints of stock, sort of kilo of onions, garlic and leek. And what I want to do is just simmer that now. Simmer that for about sort of 10-15 minutes. So, while that's cooking, I'm going to get my bread and I want to cut that in half. And then, basically, this isn't supposed to be made with fresh, lovely bread. This is supposed to be made with stale bread, so it sort of sucks up all the lovely sort of soup and becomes nice and crisp. Get them out like this. Here. Just grate this cheddar. British cheese, really, really good. Just get yourself a grater and grate a whole load of cheese over the bread. And you can do this when it's in the bowl, but what I want to do is just a whole load just like that. Bring this over here. To give it a nice little mix up, to get a nice mixture of stock and onions, and then straight into that bowl. So I've got my soup done. I want to get my little toasties and just ram them in like that. And then a few extra bits on top. Worcestershire sauce. Just a swig. I don't want this to ruin or wreck or overtake, but just a few little dribbles onto that cheese. Amazing. So I've got some lovely sage leaves here, and what I want to do is just give it a little drizzle of oil. Then it can transmit all its lovely flavour, as well as sort of looking a bit pretty, which I hate to admit is kind of what I'm doing. But, you know, I wouldn't dare do it unless it did deliver that lovely flavour. And there you go. From here, under a grill,
should knock us all
and
out.
let it all melt. And it literally only takes a minute. Ho ho ho! Look at that. That is a proper English onion soup. Beautiful. That is the real deal. Look at that. Lovely.
For recipes from Jamie at home, plus a step-by-step guide to growing onions, go to channel4.com/food. Next tonight, Sophie Dahl and Clarissa Pixie Wright join the Foodie Face-Off in a big food fight on 4.
The sharpest lemon
Deserves the smoothest coffee. Sponsored by Nescafe Dolce Gusto.
4OD is open for business 24 hours a day, so if there's anything you've missed, you'll find it here.
Here we go again.
At your convenience.
The stateside smash, True Blood, starts Wednesday at 10 on 4.
I love changing my hair
hair color, but I'll never change its protection since I've discovered Colour Protect.
LV's Colour Protect from L'Oreal Paris, the UK's #1 for coloured hair. Our double-action technology, 1 nourishes hair and 2 protects it for light-reflecting shine. 80% more colour radiance protection.
Every day your coloured hair is protected. Its radiance reflected.
LV Colour Protect from L'Oreal Paris.
For me, it's the best care for coloured hair, because you're worth it.
We're proud to present Zurich Connect. At last, car insurance that gives you a great price and still delivers when it really matters. What about your camera? To celebrate our launch, we guarantee to beat any renewal quote when you buy it for the first of January. Impressive. And you're also if you're as handy with a mop.
If you'd like us to beat your car insurance renewal quote, call now or go online. Zurich Connect.
A little price, a lot of